Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Accessory Lab. Today we're checking out the top 10 best car scratch removers that can restore your paintwork without a trip to the body shop. Whether it's a light key mark or a deeper scuff, these products make a huge difference. I've researched and tested dozens of formulas to find the ones that actually work. Now here's why it matters. The right remover can save you hundreds on professional repairs while keeping your car looking spotless. And trust me, you'll want to see these results. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's dive in. PRAZISCHUTZ. The PRAZISCHUTZ is the perfect solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who demand precision and reliability in their protective gear. Featuring a robust, impact-resistant shell engineered from aerospace-grade polycarbonate, this device offers superior defense against drops, dust, and moisture in demanding environments. Equipped with a high-visibility LED indicator and an intuitive one-touch locking mechanism, it ensures effortless operation and enhanced safety during critical tasks. Its sleek, lightweight design weighs under 6 ounces, making it comfortable for all-day wear without sacrificing durability. Whether you are on a construction site or in a workshop, the PRAZISCHUTZ combines advanced protection with practical convenience, making it an essential addition to any serious toolkit. POLIXEL. The POLIXEL is the perfect solution for professionals and creatives who demand precision and clarity in their digital workspace. Featuring an ultra-sharp 4K display with HDR support, this monitor delivers stunning color accuracy and vibrant visuals for graphic design, video editing, and immersive entertainment. Made from a sleek, lightweight aluminum alloy, it combines durability with a modern aesthetic that complements any setup. Equipped with multiple connectivity options including USB-C and HDMI, the POLIXEL ensures seamless integration with laptops, desktops, and gaming consoles. Its anti-glare coating reduces eye strain during long work sessions, while the adjustable stand allows for optimal viewing angles. Whether you are editing a high-resolution project or enjoying your favorite movie, the POLIXEL delivers superior performance and reliability. Qifflilk. The Qifflilk is perfect for anyone seeking a stylish and practical solution for everyday organization. Featuring a patented dual locking mechanism, this innovative accessory securely holds keys, cards, and small tools without adding bulk to your pocket or bag. Made from premium, lightweight aluminum alloy, it offers exceptional durability while remaining comfortable to carry. Equipped with a built-in pocket clip, it attaches easily to belts, bags, or loops, ensuring your essentials are always within reach. Whether you are rushing out the door or managing a busy workday, the Qifflilk eliminates the hassle of fumbling through cluttered spaces. Its sleek, minimalist design complements any lifestyle, from professional to casual. Compact enough to fit in any pocket, it provides superior convenience and reliability. BUFFZIT. BUFFZIT is the perfect solution for anyone who struggles with unsightly dust and debris clinging to their electronics and delicate surfaces. Featuring a revolutionary, non-toxic cleaning gel that seeps into the tiniest crevices, it effortlessly lifts dirt, crumbs, and grime from keyboards, vents, and car consoles without leaving any sticky residue. Made from a premium, reusable compound, BUFFZIT maintains its superior cleaning power for hundreds of uses, offering exceptional value and reducing waste. Its soft, pliable texture molds to any shape, ensuring a thorough clean while being completely safe for sensitive components. Compact and easy to store, this innovative cleaner is ideal for home, office, or travel use. xdotoar. The xdotoar is the perfect solution for anyone seeking a seamless blend of style and everyday utility. Featuring a minimalist yet functional design, it offers intuitive access to your essentials while maintaining a sleek profile. Made from premium, durable materials, the xdotoar is built to withstand daily wear without sacrificing its refined appearance. Its thoughtfully engineered layout keeps your items organized and secure, allowing you to move through your day with confidence and ease. Whether you are heading to the office, running errands, or traveling, the xdotoar adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Lightweight and compact, it provides exceptional portability without compromising on capacity. For those who value both form and function, the xdotoar is an essential accessory that elevates your daily carry experience. Turtle wax. Turtle wax is the perfect solution for anyone who wants to protect their vehicle and maintain a showroom quality shine with minimal effort. Featuring advanced hydrophobic polymers, This premium formula creates a durable barrier that repels water, dirt, and grime, ensuring your car stays cleaner for longer. Made from high-quality waxes and cleansing agents, it effortlessly removes light scratches and oxidation while delivering a deep, mirror-like gloss that enhances your paint's color and depth. Its easy application and wipe-off process save you time, making professional-grade detailing accessible for everyday drivers. Whether you are preparing for a car show or simply protecting your daily driver, Turtle Wax provides superior protection against UV rays and environmental contaminants. Chemical Guys. The Chemical Guys product line is perfect for automotive enthusiasts and detailers who demand showroom-quality results from their car care routine. Featuring professional-grade formulations, these products deliver superior cleaning power and protection for every surface of your vehicle, from paint and glass to leather and wheels. Made with high-quality ingredients, Chemical Guys solutions effectively remove dirt, grime, and contaminants while leaving a brilliant, long-lasting shine. Whether you are performing a full exterior detail or a quick interior refresh, their versatile range includes specialized products for every step of the process. Its user-friendly application ensures that both beginners and experts can achieve flawless results with ease. Lightweight and concentrated formulas mean you get more value per bottle while reducing waste. Meguiars. Meguiars is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality finish for their vehicles. Featuring advanced formulations like their proprietary microfiber technology, Meguiar's products deliver a deep, mirror-like shine while safely removing swirls and light scratches. Made from premium, high-grade ingredients, their waxes and polishes provide durable protection against UV rays, dirt, and environmental contaminants, ensuring your paint stays vibrant for longer. Whether you are using their ultimate liquid wax or their gold-class car wash, each product is designed for effortless application and stunning results. Lightweight and easy to handle, Meguiar solutions are gentle on all paint types and safe for clear coats. Its professional-grade performance brings the detailing studio to your driveway. Meguiars. Meguiars is the perfect choice for car enthusiasts and everyday drivers who demand a showroom-quality shine for their vehicles. Featuring advanced formulas developed from over a century of expertise, these products deliver superior cleaning, polishing, and protection for all paint types. Made from premium ingredients, Meguiars provides a deep, wet-look gloss while effectively removing swirls, scratches, and contaminants. Its innovative blends ensure long-lasting durability, shielding your car's finish from UV rays and environmental damage. Whether you are a professional detailer or a weekend warrior, the easy-to-apply solutions save time and effort without sacrificing results. With a sleek lineup of waxes, sprays, and compounds, Meguiars combines trusted quality with exceptional performance. Carfidant. The Carfidant Complete Car Care Kit is perfect for car enthusiasts and daily drivers who demand professional-grade results without the hassle of multiple products. Featuring a concentrated ceramic spray coating that delivers a brilliant, hydrophobic shine, this kit simplifies the detailing process while providing superior protection against UV rays, dirt, and water spots. Equipped with a premium microfiber towel and a versatile interior cleaner, it effortlessly restores your vehicle's paint, glass, and surfaces to a showroom finish. Made from high-quality, non-toxic formulas, each solution is safe for all automotive finishes and designed for easy application. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a busy commuter, the Carfidant Complete Car Care Kit combines convenience, durability, and exceptional performance, making it an essential investment for preserving your car's value and appearance.